Wanna get this flawless look? Then keep watching this video till the end. Use tape for sharp and clean edges. I got steel palette with 98 different shades. I chose purple shade and blend it properly, but no further than your crease line. Now with a clean brush, take shade pink and blend it above your crease line. With a flat brush, take sparkle gold shade and blend it all over purple shade. Get another brush and take peach shade and blend it over pink shade and above it. Now take white or silver shade for your inner eye. Now add mascara and eyelashes. Now take the same pink shade and blend it under your eyes. Now I got Makeup Forever white liner for my waterline. With NYX black liner, I am going to create a cat eye look. Guys, this is the final look. I hope that you all like this video. Follow me for more videos.